So now I'm going to show you a three-wheel scooter trick. There was on two wheels as well, I think. But as you see the back wheel here, you're going to need to buy one of these magical things. I'm going to show you how to do the trick. Oh yeah, as you see, this makes no noise when you spin it. See? And now I'm going to try and show you how to make it noise. So let's just put this over here. Bring that over. Now we can lift it. As you see, there's nothing different about it. You can probably see, but now let's spin the wheel. Look what noise it makes. You guys hear that noise? It's a different noise to usual. Remember last time? Let's just replay that last time. Replay. So, it's a different noise, isn't it? So now, look, keep spinning. You hear that noise? So, is it going to work for you? You know what? I want to show you what I really did. Watch. Spin it the other way. Look, these come out. This is before the video. I put these inside here. And then I put the blanket over this cover. And then while sitting like this, I secretly put these inside here. And I'll show you what happens once you do. Oops. Look. So that's what I actually did for the trick. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it anyways. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.